Hi guys, good morning. It's our official third day here in Bali. And we are early because we will be doing the Ubud tour for today. And una namin pupuntahan is the Lempuyang Temple, which is one of the most touristy and crowded destination here in Bali. As early as 3 a.m. is gising na kami para bumiyahin na doon papunta sa Lempuyang. So I think the trip to Lempuyang will be 2 hours more. Yeah, I think like that. Yeah. So, samahan nyo kami sa aming third day here in Bali. And guys, as early as this, andito na si Kuya. Ating guide yesterday. 2 hours drive going to the Lempuyang Temple. This is the street in our hotel, guys. Andito na kami sa Lempuyang Temple as early as 6 a.m. Right now, as you can see, marami na nakapark, guys. So, I do not know kung ilang queuing number na tayo. On that area, babayad ka ng ticket para sa shuttle bus. Ito yung mga shuttle bus nila. 45,000. Shuttle bus pa lang yan siya, guys, ha. Tapos, pag sakay mo dyan, doon ka pa kukuha ng ticket sa ibabaw. Nandoon na yung queuing number. So, I do not know kung pang ilan na tayo. Sabi ng aming guide yesterday, around this time, nasa mga 100 na daw yung number. Nasa shuttle bus na kami, guys. Going to the Lempuyang Temple. Pag bisita ka sa mga temples, guys, bawal daw yung mga may dalaw. So if may dalaw kayo, wag na kayo mag-push dito. Guys, I can see the sunrise. Guys, dito na kami sa waiting area. I mean, sa queuing number pa. Tsaka ticket. Then, ayan. So, guys, required pa rin po talaga magkuha ng sarong. Kahit na naka-dress. So, dapat may sarong talaga siya. Ayan yung mga sarong, guys. So, Ma'am Lenny, nagsusuotan ng sarong. Guys, pang 113 kami. Diyos ko, Lord. Let's go! So, as early as 6 a.m. ha, 113 na yung ating queuing number. So, right now is nalakad tayo papunta doon sa temple. Guys, medyo malamig dito sa Lempuyang. So, do not forget to bring jacket. No? Kasi, medyo malamig siya kasi nasa tayo. Nasa bundok tayo, guys. Kaya ganun. Yung Lempuyang, ito yung spot dito na kapag picture ka sa parang gate and may makikita mo yung view ng Mount Agong. Ginoo ko. Guys, grabe ang hike. Guys, look at that. Dito pa lang papunta ng Lempuyang Temple. You can already see the Mount Agong. Para siyang Mount Mayon sa atin, guys. But for me, parang mas perfectly coned shape yung Mount Mayon. Guys, ang steep ng daan, guys. Oh my God, look at that. Hinihinga na tayo, besh. Laban lang tayo, be. Yan na yung temple, guys, na parang may gate. Diyan na yung pictorial spot. Tapos makikita doon yung Mount Agong. Papahilag ka ng holy water. So, hindi ko tayo, guys, ligo. Okay. Thank you. Guys, meron dito yung spot na may mga... Guys, ganito kadami na ngayon. May spot dyan ng pictorial. Pero dito talaga yung Handara. Lempuyang. There's a view from the Mount Agong. Time check, it's 8:30. 3 oras na po kami nakahintay dito. Number 65 pa rin yung kinakater. At saka 113 kami. Diyos ko, Lord, maubos yung time natin dito. Ayan, guys, so we finally decided not to push through with the Lempuyang Temple. It's because it's very matagal na, guys. 6 o'clock na kaming dumating. 6 a.m. At mas 8:30 na, almost 3 hours na, wala pa din, Diyos ko Lord. So kayo, if you are planning to be here, mas better siguro kung dito na lang kayo matulog. So I guess, magpipicture lang kami dito somewhere in Kasi yung one of the sadya talaga dito sa Lempuyang is the view of the Mount Agong. Diba? But since I already took a picture with the Mount Agong, so I guess okay na ako doon para makaproceed na kami kasi pupunta pa kami ng Ubud. Guys, dito sa baba ng ng gate na yan, dito na lang kami nagpa-picture ni Ma'am Lenny. Ayan. Tapos kasi pag pagpa-picture kasi doon, wala naman din makikita ng Mount Agong kasi masyado nang maulap. Then we have already a clear sighting of Mount Agong kaninang umaga. So enough na yun. Maganda yung alternative dyan guys. Kung ayaw nyo maghintay doon sa ibabaw, dyan na rin kayo. Maganda din naman yung spot niya. Guys, so talagang mauubos yung time nyo here sa Heaven's Gate. Kaya nga, yung iba kasi dito, alas 2 pa lang, alauna, andito na. Kumukuha na ng number. Mount Agong. And of course, ang mga nagre-rent ng traditional dress dito sa Bali. 30,000 lang daw yan siya, guys.
Joe, this is 1,500.
How much?
1,500.
Pesos?
Not pesos. I mean 150,000 IDR.
Ay, 150,000. 150,000 IDR pala siya, guys. My God, ang mahal naman pala niyan. Tignan nyo yung daanan, guys. Yan guys, we are back at the parking area. Magsi-CR muna kami. Doon. Tapos after this, is pupunta na kami sa next destination. I think it's the Tertaganga. And we have arrived at our second destination, Tertaganga. We're here now guys at the Tertaganga. It is just only sa mga 10 to 15 minutes away from the Lumpuyang Temple. Dito yung guys, yung koi feeding. Yan yung entrances guys, 50,000. Gusto mong mag-drone, 200,000. Oh, this is the Tertaganga. Guys, look at nalaki na ng mga fish. Is this a koi? Tapos may fish feeding pala, may fish feeding dito guys. Ayan yung spot na magpa-picture ka. Kaso lang may pila din siya guys, Diyos ko Lord. Yan guys, so daming mga kois guys. Tapos ito yung spot ng Tirta talaga, na parang may mga stone. You need to step on it. Then picture. We're done here at Tirtatanga. So I guess we'll proceed now to the next destination. Dito kami ngayon guys sa isang warung. Warung yung tawag sa kanilang mga small local restaurants here in Indonesia. Kakain muna kami kasi malayo kayo yung Ubud. Lunch na tayo guys. Guys, after, I think parang 3 oras na kami nagbiyahe. Nandito na kami sa Tagalalang Rice Field. Ang entrance dito is 50,000 na naman. Guys, nasa Kretya Ubud na pala tayo. This is the luwak that we are referring to. Yung poop niyan guys, yan o. Yung poop niyan ginagawang kape. And these are the
And then we
the
have
poop.
to clean it. Yeah. And then remove the shell. Okay. And get the beans and just come like this. Okay. And the
Ito yung
beans,
poop
we
nila
have to
guys.
wash one more time.
Tapos
And then
ninininisan.
we dry it
Tinatanggalan nila na ng shell. Ito na ang
because this
effect.
still has another shell.
After this
Yeah,
is
I see.
niluluto pa nila.
And then so this one we wash and then we dry.
Yeah.
And this the final beans.
Final beans.
Ay, this is
And
the
the
final.
beans we roast.
We roast. So this is the final beans that you're going to
Yeah.
roast in, grind, and drink.
Yes.
Okay.
And this one is different. This is for the tea.
For the tea.
Yeah, so beside the luwak, mango stick, lemongrass. Yeah,
Guys,
we have like turmeric
Guys,
tea.
they have saffron here. This is the most expensive herb in the world, right? Yeah.
Oh, this is the same.
Gosh.
Yeah.
Saffron. This is right the
Cinnamon,
cinnamon, and this is
rosella, hibiscus.
hibiscus,
Yes,
star anise.
yes. Mangosteen.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
very high antioxidant.
Yes, we have a lot of that in the Philippines.
Oh, the mangosteen.
Yeah.
You have.
Guys, ito na yung coffee, guys. Oh. Oh my God. Is this a final product? Final product na siya, guys. Sarap ng kape. Dito, guys, niro-roast nila yung mga yung mga poop ng civet. Guys, if you want to try the rides or the mga activities here in the Tagalalang, ayan yung mga prices. Ayan yung mga prices. Yung extreme wing, 20-25K. Extreme. Ayan. Swing bed. Tapos lahat ng prices niyan, guys, hindi pa kasama ng 17.6 tax and service charge. So, madadagdagan pa yan. Dito na yung mga activities nila. Yan na yung giant swing, guys. So, just ang mahal. Super duper mahal. Parang gusto ko na lang ibili na kasalubong kasi sa mag-swing. Grabe, ang super duper touristy dito, guys. You will really not, my God. Yang swing na yan ang main na activity here sa Alas Harum. Ano? Guys, look at that rice fields. No, we have here in the Philippines actually. Oh. And doon, guys, yung Cretia Ubud. Malapit lang pala siya, guys, yung Cretia. So, supposedly swim kami. Kaso hindi ko nadala na yung swimming ko. Ando na sa sasakyan. So, hindi na siguro. Yan na yung Cretia, guys. And daming tao. So, at tip of advice, para wala masyadong tao, pumunta ka na dito ng mas maaga. At way better. Guys, ito na yung Cretia. Yan na yung famous pool ng Cretia Ubud. So, kung gusto mong maligo dyan na solo mo lang yung area, agahan nyo po mga around 7 AM or 8. Wala pang tao masyado siya. Yan, guys, yung pagligo sa pool, guys, is free na siya. Kasama na siya sa entrance. Pero kung gusto mo kumuha ng bed or yung mga upuan, meron siya lang minimum na 1.5 million na IDR na food na dapat mong makonsume. Ayan, guys, so kami dito sa Cretia in Tagalalang. So right after this is balik na kami ng Kuta, guys, kasi 2 hours pa yung drive from here, guys. After kanina na pala, pagpalis namin sa Cretia Ubud, dumating kami dito ng 9 o'clock. And ngayon is labas kami ng hotel kasi mamimili muna kami ng mga pasalubong. Ang lively dito sa street, guys, na stayhan namin na hotel kasi malapit lang siya sa mga shops, mga foods at saka mga spa. Very strategically located. So namili kami dito. Malapit na kasi yung mga shops dito sa aming guys, sa aming hotel. So ayun may yung bag, guys, yung mga rattan bags. Yung unang nagbenta sa amin 150 IDR. Tapos tinawaran namin, naging 50 na lang siya. Kaya guys, always haggle here in Indonesia.